Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chandrani Saha and I'm very excited today to come live with you all to share my very special and powerful technique with you all. Okay, so this is not a technique, I can say this is a very powerful concept and a message that will help you to move forward in your life and to understand where you are going wrong. So as you know, we have four areas in our life. Those are health, relationship, career and money. Now, if you look at each of these areas, you will understand what is working for you and what is not. Where you are having problems, you need to think about those areas and rethink that why it is not working for you. For example, in health area, if I take an example that you are not able to lose weight, maybe you want to lose weight but you are not able to. So have you thought of why? Maybe you will say that say if you're a guy, my wife feeds me very delicious food, so I'm not able to lose weight, I'm not able to eat less. Or you can say that I have some hormonal issues, I cannot wake up in the morning, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, my kids don't let me do this, my wife doesn't let me do that. So many complaints, there can be many complaints, but the main thing is to come out of this complaining zone. So if you understand, complaining is a habit, so you are not doing it mindfully, so you are bound to do this because that is your habit, to complain in a specific situations when it doesn't go the way you want it to. So what you do is you complain that something is not working, something is not supporting you. So you want to get out of this situation by saying that it did not happen. Exactly, this thing didn't happen. That is why I didn't achieve this goal. I was not feeling good. My mood was bad. So I had to eat that piece of chocolate. So there can be many complaints. I mean, you can be creative and come up with a lot of complaints. I cannot tell you that how creative human being can be in complaining. Because complaining is very easy. Complaining gives us a lot of relief if you know. Because I can say this because I have been there. Many people have been there. Because it's very easy to put the blame on somebody else or some other situation or some other thing or person, whatever it is, and get away with that situation. If you are looking for a job, you are not getting a job, you may say that okay, I don't have time to look for a new job, I don't have the skill, I don't have this, that, blah blah blah. But the main thing here to catch is, the main catch is, you need to come out of this complaining zone and take what? Take responsibility. Take responsibility. If I break this word responsibility into two halves, response plus ability. So what does it mean? The ability to respond when you get into a situation, any problematic situation you can think of, as I was given an example, losing weight. Rather than complaining, if you take the responsibility of the situation, that okay, the problem statement is you need to lose weight, rather than complaining why you cannot lose weight, if you analyze the situation, what can you do to lose weight? Take responsibility, take 100% responsibility of the complete situation of losing weight and ask yourself, what can I do? Because it's my responsibility now. Losing weight is my responsibility. Finding a new job is my responsibility. What can I do? What can I do to do this, to make it a reality? What can I do to attract this goal? So you need to ask yourself that am I responsible for this? And the answer should be yes. So stop blaming others. Take 100% responsibility of the situation and accept the fact that only you are responsible for this situation. Whatever has happened, it can be good, it can be bad, it can be anything. If something bad happens to you, do not blame the situation that okay, the situation was like this, that is why it happened to me. No, your frequency, your mindset, your attraction has helped in that situation to occur. So you have to take the responsibility of the situation. When you take responsibility, it makes you stronger, isn't it? When was the last time you took a lot of responsibility and you delivered it? And when people told you, yes, you have done a great job, how did it feel? Just remember it. Close your eyes and remember the one situation when you took a lot of responsibility. Maybe for your house, at your job situation, for your health, for a relationship, for somebody else. You have contributed something. You have taken a lot of responsibility. You have been diligent and you have performed well and you have delivered it. And people have said you have done extremely well. And think about the confidence you got after delivering it with the responsibility, the accountability. Yes? So think about that. Responsibility makes us stronger. So whoever is having the responsibility, they are the strongest people. If you think about the Prime Minister of India, he is having the highest amount of responsibility and the highest amount of power. So responsibility equals to power. Take your hand like this. This is responsibility and this is power. If responsibility goes higher, power goes higher. Okay? So this is something I wanted to share. So in each area of your life, it is health, your relationships, your career, your money, start taking responsibility and stop complaining. Stop complaining. Start asking yourself, what can I do? What can I do? Whatever done is done. But now, what can I do next? Okay, thank you so much for listening to this and watching this video. I hope you start taking responsibility in your life and stop complaining, start responding, start analyzing the situation. Take feedback from your older situation rather than sitting somewhere and complaining. Sit somewhere with a paper and a pen and write down what went wrong there, what you could have been done, and what you can do next to avoid those mistakes. Take complete responsibility and be accountable for what you do. Thank you so much for listening to this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your family and friends so that we can reach to maximum people and help maximum people. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.